Hey DIYers, Dylan here with AlarmGrid. Today we're going to review the default installer code for the 2GIG Edge panel. This will allow you to access certain levels of programming, which we will review briefly. I'm going to show you what the code is, how to access the programming fields, and how an alarm company can essentially help you with the installer code if you do not know what it is set as. Okay, so for the 2GIG Edge panel, the default installer code is 1561. Now this is the default code if it has not been changed. If the system was installed by an alarm dealer, a lot of times they do change the code. So if 1561 does not work when you're trying it, contact the dealer that has installed it, and they should be able to either assist in changing the code or at least let you know what code they had set. Now what the installer code does, it will bring you into this general settings, which the other codes do as well. But if you scroll down, you have the installer toolbox, and these are the installer settings. So using the installer code is the only way to access this menu. So this is just going to go over main function or main settings that you can change in the panel. We have panel programming. This is where you're going to access the wireless zones. So if you're programming sensors, you can also edit them or delete them. Built-in zones, it's going to be any wired. Key fobs, keypads. If you're adding image sensors, we have network settings here, remote integration, and then advanced programming. Z-Wave settings, that's where you can view all the Z-Wave devices. That's lights, locks, thermostats, any home automation devices. This is where you can add the devices, remove them, and check network or rediscover. That's essentially just making sure that everything is connected with a strong signal. System tests, that's sensor test. That's going to test the different types of sensors on the panel, make sure they're reporting properly. Panel test, that would be lights, the LEDs, the siren. Disable sounder, so that's if you want to disable the siren entirely. Radio test, this is going to be used when you're getting the panel registered. It's going to send a signal to the monitoring station. And network test, so that's checking the Wi-Fi connection. Camera settings, so that's your onboard camera and your IP camera, so that's if you have any cameras paired with the alarm system. Onboard video, so it's just a demo video that can be shown.
System disarmed.
Oops.
Ready to arm.
And then restore defaults. This is if you want to default the panel, you do have the option of selecting certain things to default. So if you don't want to default everything, say you just want to default your user section, you can do that. And then restore it. Restore as default.
System disarmed. Ready to arm.
Okay, so that is the default installer code for the 2GIG Edge, being 1561. If you are set up with a company, like I mentioned, you can have them access the alarm system and they will be able to let you know what that code is and essentially reset it for you as well. If you did like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-818-7728. You can email us at support@alarmgrid.com, and our website, www.alarmgrid.com, has a live chat feature, so feel free to reach out with any questions. My name is Dylan from AlarmGrid, and thank you for watching.